Alright, so we bought a travel trailer on our very first camping trip. However, my daughter did pull on the door and ripped it off of its hinges. And come to find out that these doors are just garbage fiberboard all the way through. Almost looks, sorry, fiberboard all the way through. Almost looks like glued together cardboard or something. So I'm gonna take my shot at attempting to just make my own little door. Nothing fancy. And we're gonna inset these mirrors into the door that we're gonna build. See if we like it that way. But first we gotta get some measurements. So let's find out what we are. We are, let's see if we can get it to clear up, 23 7/8. And pretty much 76 1/8. Dead on. Ooh. Let's go get started.